Good morning students. Today I am going to discuss about some practice math from exercise 7e. So let's start. In my previous class I already have discussed the comparing fraction, arranging fraction. So from that class we know when denominator is same and numerators are different, then smaller the numerator is smaller fraction and greater the numerator greater fraction. Therefore in these two fraction, denominator is same 7 7 and numerator is 2 and 3. So 3 is greater than 2, therefore the sign is less than. 2 by 7 less than 3 by 7. Next 2 is greater than 1, therefore 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 3. Next 4 is less than 11, therefore fraction 4 by 15 is less than 11 by 15. Next 8 is greater than 7, therefore 8 by 17 greater than 7 by 17 fraction. And 23 is less than 26, therefore 23 is less than 26, therefore the fraction 23 by 45 is less than 26 by 45. Next 23 is greater than 18, therefore fraction 23 by 33 is greater than 18 by 33. Next is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and both are same, therefore 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Next there is different denominators. So when denominators are different and numerators are same, then greater the denominator is the smaller fraction and smaller the denominator is the greater fraction. Therefore 8 is greater than this fraction is greater than this fraction. Therefore 17 by 19 is less than 17 by 8. Now 3 by 13 and 3 by 22. 13 is less, therefore 3 by 13 fraction is greater than 3 by 22. Now next in 18 and 32, 18 is less than 32, therefore the fraction 5 by 18 is greater than 5 by 32. So 5 by 32 less than 5 by 18. Now 1 by 15 and 1 by 12, 15 is greater than 12, therefore 1 by 15 fraction is less than 1 by 12 fraction. Next is 11 by 13 and 11 by 25. 13 is less than 25, but therefore the 11 by 13 fraction is greater than 11 by 25. Next, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. So we know when denominators are same, numerators are different, then smaller the numerator is the smaller fraction and greater the numerator is the greater fraction. Therefore 2 by 9 is smallest. So ascending means small to large. So 2 by 9, next is 3 by 9, next 4 by 9, next 5 by 9 and greatest is 8 by 9. Next denominators, when denominators are different and numerators are same, then greater the denominator is the smaller fraction. Therefore 10 by 15 is smallest. So first is 10 by 15 smallest, next is 10 by 14, next 10 by 13, next 10 by 12 and greatest is 10 by 7. Next, arrange the following fractions in descending order. Descending order means large to small. So when denominators are same, then smaller the numerator is the smaller fraction and greater the numerator is the greater fraction. Therefore 9 by 13 is greatest. So 9 by 13, next 7 by 13, next 4 by 13, next 2 by 13 and smallest is 1 by 13. Next, when denominators are different, numerators are same, then smaller the denominator is the greatest fraction and smaller the denominator is the greater fraction and greater the denominator is the smaller fraction. Therefore 6 is smallest. So in fraction 13 by 6 is greatest, 6 is smallest. So 13 by 16 fraction is greatest. So greatest is 13 by 16, next is 13 by 8, next 13 by 13, next 13 by 15 and smallest is 13 by 25. So clear student, that's all for today. Thank you.